When we talk about our product portfolio, we are in power and grid segment, and we are having from the generations to distribution. We are covering all the product, like we are having switch gears, we are having transformers, we are having digital solutions, and we talk more about the carbon neutrality and net zero target of our Modi ji is net zero target. We are segregated our product in three layers. That is, first is connected products, second is edge control, and third is app and analytics and softwares layer.
Micrologic MCCBs, VFD, your complete transformer, breakers, everything, all the range of electrical product we have here, it is digitally connected nowadays. Not only connection, you can analyze the data from your own also with the help of HMI. उसके एक step आगे Schneider गया है, we collect all the data through cloud on our portal, which is securely connected. So we give the cyber security guarantees on this.
Modular switches and all. These are also digitized through our systems, or you can monitor your home through your mobile apps and all. So this is one more product called Heat Tech. This is fitted in the cable alleys, where when the overheating starts, the chemical composition of the insulation changes, and that you may see some smell you are getting the smell. So this will sense the fumes and will send you the alarms or on your mobile. This is our charger, and this is a smart doorbell. This is a video doorbell, but in this you can integrate 8 number of people from your home, so that they can access and
face recognition.
Yeah, face recognition is there.
So here we have Green Yoda campaign, and in this campaign we have developed a virtual city. Let me just show you. So there will be this virtual city which will be really polluted. So in order to clean that city and verification, and gradually when you collect those coins, the city will get greener and cleaner. And if you collect the red coins, that is carbon emission, the city will get more polluted. So avoid the red coins.